In the celestial realm of Mount Olympus, home to the gods of Greek mythology, a grand assembly was called. The gods, each embodying an essential aspect of nature and the human condition, gathered around a table of gold and silver. Zeus, the king of the gods, presided over the meeting, his thunderous voice echoing throughout the heavens. "My children," he began, "the mortal realm is in turmoil. We must address this crisis and restore balance." Hera, queen of the gods, spoke first. "The humans worship us less, turning instead to other gods, foreign to our pantheon." Poseidon, the god of the sea, voiced his concern. "Their disregard for the sea and its bounty has led to calamities. The rivers run dry, and the fish disappear." Athena, the goddess of wisdom, proposed a solution. "We must intervene, teach them to respect our domains. I shall guide them in wisdom and war." Ares, the god of war, disagreed. "Let them suffer, and learn through pain. War will remind them of our power." Demeter, the goddess of agriculture, pleaded for mercy. "Their neglect of the earth has led to famine. We must show them the consequences of such actions." Hestia, the goddess of the hearth, suggested a more subtle approach. "Let us offer them a glimmer of our divine light. Perhaps they will find their way back to us." The council continued, each Olympian offering their unique perspective. Eventually, a compromise was reached, a plan devised to guide and teach the mortals without causing unnecessary suffering. The gods returned to their domains, ready to enact their plan and restore balance to the mortal realm. The Olympians, united once more, faced the challenges ahead, their resolve unwavering in the face of adversity. And so, the tale of the Olympians continues, their story an eternal testament to the power of unity, wisdom, and the enduring bond between gods and mortals.